Hey guys, how we doing? So today I want to do a little video on meal prepping and how to prepare yourself to have the foods that you need for when you need them. Basically, coming home from work and it's cold and you're starving and usually don't reach for the right things. Usually it's going to be chocolate, crisps, something that's really, really fast, but it's not really nutritious. But how do we better that? How do we make better choices by preparing? So what I'm doing is, during the time that I have spare, I'm going to be prepping some turkey mince, thigh mince and breast mince. The reason for that is I want a wee bit more fat in my diet, and then I get some lean there as well. So I get protein and fats, so then I can make sure I'm getting enough calories in for my training and making sure that I'm recovering properly. Right, so we get the turkey mince cooking, as you can see here. And again, I'm just freeballing because I'm holding the camera freehand. My favourite spice though to put in my any sort of, whether it's turkey mince, whether it's chicken mince, whether it's turkey breast or chicken breast, is smoked paprika. It is delightful, so we put a wee bit of that in there. There we go, I like it spicy, that's us. There. And then what we're going to do is nice and easy, get some spinach, 2 peppers, we're going to chop them up, we're going to put them in the mix when this is basically about 70% cooked, so then they can cook together, and by the time the veggies are cooked, the mince will also be cooked at the same time, so I've not overcooked the meat. Alright, so we've got the turkey mince bubbling away, we've got the spinach is dissolved in there, so there's 2 handfuls of spinach, there's 2 peppers, 1 yellow, 1 red, and there's 1 onion in there as well. I love onions. Onions probably one of my favourite vegetables. Onions and peppers are something that I could just genuinely eat every single day of the week and not get bored of them. But when it comes to my meat, whether, I'm not one of these people that can just stick to chicken and rice or that sort of stuff, and broccoli. I need to have a, steak, I need to have, turkey or, spaghetti bolognese, all these different things, because I put in salmon and haddock and tuna, because as an athlete we need different amino acids, we need different proportions of amino acids, we need different sort of minerals and nutrients as well. So just getting them from one food source is probably not the best, because you're then going to be super sort of high in some stuff, but then you're going to be super low in other things, really deficient. So again, also you can see that there's lots of vegetables in there, there's lots of colour. I'm not a vegan. I don't preach sort of veganism as a sort of lifestyle, but I do definitely preach making sure you have enough fruits and veggies in your diet to maintain good body health, physically and mentally, and then your fibre to just make sure that things that you are having, some things maybe contain, let's say I have a glass of squash and things that get wee bits of chemicals, and it just flushes all that out of the system, any badness, it just keeps things moving. Fibre's just really good for the body to have in its system. So that's it starting to all cook across. And the reason I made it bland is because what you can do is from there you can put it in Tupperware boxes, and then you can add your own sort of spice and flavour to it. So some people like Nando's sauce, some people like soya sauce, some people like the sort of tomato-based stirring pasta sauces. So it's all, it's just that base, and then that means that you'll not get bored of it during the week when you're sort of eating that. Maybe this will probably do me about 3 meals. So, I don't want to be having like mince and Nando's sauce or mince and tomato sauce 3-4 times in a week. I'll make that base and I'll just stir in something that I fancy, maybe barbecue sauce, whatever it is, whatever tickles your fancy. And yeah, so I just want to make a wee video. What I'll do is also show you me making my rice also. So what we do is, super convenient, is these here. These cook in 90 seconds in the microwave. So you get your carbohydrates from this, you get your proteins, your vitamins and minerals from here, and it's a nice sort of full blend to help the body recharge, recover, get nourished, and you get really high protein, get a little bit of fat in there from the turkey thigh mincemeat, and then there's also olive oil in there as well for the fats. Maybe you can chop an avocado up if you want even more. You can use coconut oil, rapeseed oil, whatever you fancy as an alternative to just get those extra calories in if you're training really hard and you feel you're running out of gas, you just need to recover a wee bit faster. Or if you want to lean up, you want to lean down, and sort of get shredded, then you sort of cut the calories out of there. So you'd have, maybe instead of the turkey thigh mince, you just have the lean turkey mince. You'd be sort of making sure you don't have too much olive oil or coconut oil or rapeseed oil in the pan because it's very, very calorie dense. And then if you are also trying to cut, then you probably will only have a bag of this instead of a full bag, because the great thing about these is it actually tells you how much is in here. So there's 406 calories per one bag. Half a packet will tell you it's 203 calories. So, 406 for this for me, and then probably, about 200 calories worth, maybe 300 calories worth there. So I'm getting about a 700 calorie meal for my lunch. All right, so super quick, super simple. Just wanted to fire something up there on social media just to try and help people who are maybe struggling with motivation and sort of ideas on how to eat, how to meal prep, and just showing you how easy it is. Just throwing the meat in the pan, a couple of veggies, don't make it too complicated, don't make it too complex, and then make it even simpler by just throwing this in the microwave. Alright, so hopefully this helps anybody. If you did, give me a wee thumbs up and a wee comment saying that was a belter. See ya!